Hey everyone, James here with Rokoko, and I'm back with another tutorial. This time I want to show you guys how to enable facial capture within Studio. So let's go ahead and get started. So there's two things you need to know before using facial capture. The first thing is you need to use Rokoko Studio version 1.13 or newer in order to take advantage of facial capture. The second thing is you need our Rokoko Remote smartphone app on your phone in order to use it. And as of recording this video, Rokoko Remote is only available on iPhonex phones with true depth camera. However, support for Android phones will be coming very soon. So once you've got those things ready to go, the first thing that you want to do now is navigate up to the top right of Studio, and you'll notice this icon here, the Rokoko Remote. This is the button that we're going to use to pair our phone to Studio. So let's go ahead and open up Rokoko Remote. And when we open up Rokoko Remote, you'll notice that at the top right of the icon now, there's a green dot. And that's because when you are using the app itself to pair it to Studio, you have to make sure that your phone and your computer are set up on the same Wi-Fi network. So it's able to detect which phone is currently using Rokoko Remote. So if you notice here on in Studio now, we can go ahead and click this, and we'll see a list of available devices. So we can go ahead and click connect, and if we jump over to the app, you'll notice now it says it's asking if you want to connect to Studio, and we can click accept, and then now we're connected. And so now within the app, you can notice there's a couple of different buttons that we can use. When we have a Smart Suit Pro live, we can actually perform straight poses and start and stop recordings. However, we don't have a suit live for this tutorial, but these are buttons that will be available to you when you do have a live suit. So we'll go ahead and enable facial capture just by pressing this button. And now you can see within the app, I have facial capture active. And if you look down inside of Studio, we have a face as well. And so what we want to do now is we want to pair this facial capture to one of our actor profiles. So we can do that by going down to add objects, and we can click on add new actor profile, and we just click on our actor profile, and now it's a scene object. And all we need to do is just click and drag this unpaired input directly into our add actor profile, and now you see the face clearly. And so now we can go ahead and start recording. We can go ahead and click on the big red button here in Studio if we want to record here, or we can use the button inside of the app itself. So I'll go ahead and press this. And now I just stopped it, and now I have a recording, I have a take now over on the left side. And you'll notice all takes that have facial capture data will have this face icon to the right of them. So this is a good indicator to let you know which takes you've recorded have facial capture. So we can go ahead and double click this and open it up, and here is our recording, and we can view that. And if we're happy with it, we can go ahead and export it out. So in order to export out facial capture data, we can go ahead and click on our exporter down here, and it'll open up the export options box. And we want to make sure that export face data is checked. Otherwise, it's not going to export out this face data. So once that's checked and you choose a format, you can then click the export button. You don't have to select the skeleton because there's no skeleton data. However, you can use the Smart Suit Pro in conjunction with the face capture. So you can then, if you do that, you can then choose a skeleton to export out as. But we're going to go ahead and click the export button, and that is essentially it. So this is how you use facial capture within Studio and how you record and export out. In our next tutorial, we want to show you how to utilize data streaming inside of Unity and Unreal and Motion Builder to stream your facial capture data directly to your characters in those programs. So thanks for watching, guys.